Hi, I'm Steve McNary with Southwest Exteriors. One thing that can impact the cost of your window replacement project is the warranty, both the warranty of the window itself and the warranty of the installation process. So let's talk about that. Another factor to consider when you're replacing your windows is what kind of warranty do they come with. Because you're going to spend the time deciding which frame type you want to use, how you want that window customized. You're going to look at what the installation process is going to look like, but then you also need to have peace of mind on who's going to take care of that window down the road for you. Warranties tend to vary quite a bit, so our advice is just read them, dig into them, and find out what's going on. Some windows are only warranted for a few years. Sometimes that covers just the window, sometimes that covers the window and the installation. Then the next level up is usually a lifetime warranty on that window. But whose lifetime is that? Legally, that's usually the lifetime of the window, which could be estimated anywhere to 5 to 10 to 15 years is how long that window is going to be warranted. And then that may cover installation costs, it may not. And then there's companies out there who will say, we'll extend that manufacturer's lifetime warranty as long as you live in your home. So if that's 10, 20, 30 years, they'll cover that warranty as well. But again, make sure you ask the question, is that just the product, or is that if there's an issue with installation on that as well? So all of those things are going to impact your replacement window project. So look at the reputation of that company, do your research online, find out what other people are saying, find out how long they've been around, and check out the warranty situation when you're going to be replacing the windows in your home. Obviously that warranty is very important, so we want you to feel educated and informed about that. If you ever have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those down below. We're happy to communicate with you, because in the end, this is your home. These are going to be your new windows, and we want you to have the look you love coming home to.